Assalamu alaikum. I am Salman Khan from the world of IT. In this lecture training, you will learn about how to host a website on AWS Lightsail. Deploy WordPress on Amazon Lightsail. At the end of this lecture, your WordPress blog will be running on an Amazon Lightsail cloud server. Let's get started. Log into your AWS console and go to services and click on Lightsail. Click on create instance and depict your instance image selection. Select the WordPress image. In the choose your instance plan section, review and choose from the available options. The first option will work fine for a low traffic WordPress blog or for WordPress development. In the name your instance section, enter an easy to remember name for the new server. Confirm your selections by hitting the create button. Amazon Lightsail will now begin spinning off the new server. The process usually takes a few minutes and the status of the deployment process will be displayed throughout. Once the server has launched, its status will change to running. Select the server to reach a detailed page. This page will include the server's public IP address and useful configuration information together with options to stop, reboot, delete, or connect to the server. At that point, you should be able to browse to the Amazon Lightsail server by entering the server's public IP address directly into your browser's address bar. You should now see your WordPress blog's page with a sample post as shown. This is my first post. Note, it sometimes takes a few minutes after the server status changes to running for the server to become publicly accessible. In case you cannot connect to the application through your browser right away, try again after a few minutes. The application username depends on the application. You can find the application username on the server detail page in the connect using your own SSH client section. Connect using your own SSH client. The corresponding administrator password is randomly generated during the deployment. Process and stored in a file on the server. To get the password, click the connect using SSH button on the server detail page. This will initiate a secure SSH connection to the server console and a new browser window. You should see something like this. Now, log in and start using WordPress. At the end of this step, you will have logged into WordPress and created a new blog post. To log into the WordPress dashboard, follow these steps. Browse to the WordPress dashboard, usually at the URL http://server-ip/wp-admin. Type username and password and click on login. You should now arrive at the WordPress dashboard, which allows you to manage posts, pages, and comments, customize your blog with themes and plugins, import and export content, manage navigation menus, add or delete new user accounts, and much more. Create your first post. You can now add a new post using the following steps. Select the post and click on add new menu option to create a new post. Enter a title and content for the post. You can use the following tools at the top of the content area to format your post and add hyperlinks or images. Optionally choose the format and category for your post. Publish it immediately using the publish button. And now when you visit your blog's front page, you should see your new post. This is my first post. Congratulations, you now have a working fully functional WordPress blog in the cloud. You can keep your WordPress installation up to date with the WordPress Update feature to access this. Log into WordPress using the administrator account, select the dashboard, and click on Updates menu item. Review the resulting page to see if WordPress needs an update. If an update is available, you can install it by clicking the Update Now button. You can also reinstall WordPress if needed with the Reinstall Now button. Please feel free to give your comment if you face any difficulty here.